Good morning, student. Today we discuss the different several types in assembly drawing. First type is design assembly drawing. When a machine is designed, an assembly drawing or a design layout is first drawn to clearly visualize the performance, shape and clearance of various parts of the machine. Then second part, details assembly drawing. It is usually made for the simple machine, comprising of a relatively small number of simple parts. All the dimensions and information necessary for the construction of such parts and for the assembly of the parts are given directly on the assembly drawing. Then third type is the sub-assembly drawing. Many assemblies such as automobile, lathe, etc. are assembled with many pre-assembled components as well as individual parts. These pre-assembled units are known as the sub-assembly drawing. Next type is installation assembly drawing. On this drawing, the location and dimension of the few important parts and overall dimensions of the assembly unit are indicated. Then next type assembly drawing for catalog. Special assembly drawing are prepared for company catalog. This drawing show only the pertinent detail and dimensions that would interest the potential buyer. Then next type is the assembly drawing for the instruction manual. This drawing in the form of the assembly drawing are to be used when a machine shipped away in assembly condition is known down in order to check all the parts before reassemble and installation elsewhere. The drawing have each component number on the job. Then next type is the exploded assembly drawing. In some cases, exploded pictorial view are supplied to meet instruction manual requirement. This drawing generally find a place in the part list section of the component instruction manual. Then next type is the schematic assembly drawing. It is very difficult to understand the operating principle of complicated machinery. Merely from the assembly drawing, schematic representation of the unit facilitates easy understanding of the operating principle. Next type is the machine shop drawing. Rough casting and forging are sent to the machine shop for finishing operation. Since the machinist is not interested in the dimension and information of the previous stage, a machine shop drawing frequently give only the information necessary for the machining. Next type is the pattern drawing. When new machine or device are invented, pattern drawing come into existence to illustrate and explain the invention. These are pictorial drawing and the must be self-explanatory. These are the different types of